In today's video, we're going to take another look at the S&P. We're going to look at the futures contract at this point. And you know that I think that this market is still vulnerable as long as the 5 is below the 13, as far as the EMAs that I watch on the daily charts. And I do want to show you, though, where I would start looking more on the buy side, at least in the short term. So let's go down to a lower time frame chart and see what we have. So we're looking at a 120-minute chart in S&P futures, and here the low today was made at the confluence of a 786 retracement of this swing, a 1618 extension of this swing, and another 1618 extension of this swing. So there were 3 price relationships that came together at that point, and that came in anywhere between, let's see, this was 2811 to 2818 or so. Okay, and we ended up hitting and holding above that area, and we did start to see at least a little bit of a rally. But does it really look good yet? And I would have to say no, because there's a couple things going on. I know that on a 30-minute chart, the 834 EMAs that I look at are in a bearish mode still. And if you look at this pattern, you know, at this point we have to look at another possible short, like up at this area. Okay, this 28.94 and a quarter to 28.96 area. However, if we do start to push through this area, that includes 100% of this prior rally swing and a 618 retracement of this swing, then I'll have to say that we may continue to rally from this low instead towards an extension on the upside. So there's a couple of different things that you can look at. I mean, you still can take short-term triggers on the buy side. Just know that it's not really looking good with the charts above it. You know, it's not supporting the buy side anymore until we can get the moving average crossovers back to the upside, and then beyond that we have to clear this key resistance. But if we do that, then yeah. But if we fail to clear this area, would not be surprised if you saw another swing to the downside. So those are some parameters that you can play with tomorrow.